What's up, my YouTube people? It's Sunday morning here in the H. I was out here tinkering with the cars for a little bit, but the homie Freddie hit me and said if I wanted to roll with him to Trucks and Coffee. They got a little Sunday meet they be having out there. I personally have never been, but I said, yeah, let's go check it out. So I'm waiting on him, but let me show y'all what I got here in the back. Hold on. So I showed y'all update on the box. We will be working on it here today, my day off. Now, I do got a mess everywhere. I gotta come and organize, but I actually got some stuff going on, some work on the 75. Yes, I do have a 75 Caprice. As a matter of fact, you know what? We'll uncover it. Some of y'all don't even know. But I do have these grills out. These are actually 76 grill, 76 grill. It's what I'm gonna be using for this here. I found someone in Florida that will restore them, so I got to get it shipped out. I got to find a box and hopefully it doesn't break. But yes, guys, I do have a donk for the new people on the channel. I know I haven't been working on her. Man, I got parts all over, that's all box parts. And y'all remember, some of y'all remember, I actually already had a motor in here. That's what's in that car now. But we do have the original block, low mileage and everything. It's actually the original block matching numbers to this car. So that might be getting thrown in, or possibly LS. We don't know yet. I do need to get back working on it. You know what? Let me uncover this so I can show you. There y'all have it. I do own a donk. Some of the new people on the channel hadn't seen it. I do need to get back working on it pretty soon, but I also don't want to leave this car half-assed. So we will be finishing the box 100% and then really going to town on the vert. This is the original, actually 350 to it. We're probably going to throw that back in there, man. It's real low mileage. The only reason I took it out was because I was going to clean everything up. Everything's painted and or powder coated, but it's just dusty. Dusty as hell. So, there y'all go. For the new people on the channel, I do have a donk. It is in the works. And hey, it looks worse than what it is. It's actually a really solid car. Very few spots on it. Already has the floor fixed. And we got plenty of parts for it as well. We got Sandman jewelry out the wazoo. There goes some of the pieces. So we on to the next move. I'll hit y'all back when we headed over there to that good old Trucks and Coffee. Alright, we finna dip up over there, go check out them trucks. Y'all remember this truck from a few videos ago? If not, man, y'all go take a look at it. It's one of my good videos too. Got a couple thousand views. Might Apache or something, huh?
There's one more right there. Right there with that red Chevy with the what's it called?
The replicas? Yeah. Ooh, look at this black one. Oh, he saved the spot. Hell yeah, clutch. Damn, this black one is sick. Whew, god damn, y'all. Y'all talking about trucks? These is real trucks.
Damn.
Look at that Cutlass, that 442. It just need a little better wheels. I'm hating. Look at that patina white one. That whole throw. Damn, look at that green and white or turquoise. What the fuck?
No, this shit gets packed all down that way. Damn, look, that bitch is back.
That bitch is sick, bro. Look at this K5 right here. I had an 85 Food Blazer one time. I should have kept that hoe.
This bitch is bad.
Damn, that yellow orange one. What the fuck? That hoe's tight.
Damn, Billy, I ain't never seen that.
Whoo, man. If y'all likes trucks, man, y'all need to come to this Trucks and Coffee. They got it every month, right?
Oh, there goes that dually. That dually, that was
Is this once a month?
Yeah, the last Sunday of the month.
But this is like an anniversary though, right? So this one might be live, right?
It's supposed to be 4-year anniversary. I think that's that one dude, the red and black.
Yeah. Carlos. Damn, this black one is sick, y'all. Look at this hoe. Whew. Damn. Ooh, look at this black one, y'all. Man. This you, boss? Yeah. This beautiful, boss. Woo. Man, check out the guts on it. Wow. Man, this hoe is nice. I like this one a lot. Man, they got a lot of trucks out here, y'all. Man, they got some trucks out here. If y'all like trucks, man, y'all should be out here. Trucks and coffee. This is the first time I'm out here. Man, so many short beds. Woo. Man, that hoe sound nice too. Shit, AC down, boy. Boy, that hoe is fresh.
Hey, y'all come out and enjoy yourself.
We at that what? With trucks and coffee, right?
Yeah.
Man. Y'all have a good. Damn, hey, for nice and clean, blacked out. See, you ain't even gotta be all flashy. That shit's clean. Clean up the firewall, that hoe's fire. Shit, it's a lot of truck action going on, but we got one vert out here. Check out this cut dog. Ooh. I really do like these. They don't get the love like the Chevelles and shit though, you know what I'm saying? That bitch clean. Ooh, I like that hoe, that cab over. Make a tow truck out this hoe. Damn, it got the motor in the back. That's crazy, huh? Dooleyed out. That bitch is throwed with the keg.
Damn, so the front is literally right in the front.
It's a cab over, yeah. Look, they painted the trim on this one. Y'all check that out. What y'all think about that? I personally like the trim, but that's tight. Look at all this whole road.
It's because they're easy access.
Well, not that easy no more, fool. Look at damn, this hoe's kind of tight, fool. It's like a time capsule, right? Check this one out. Bitch got the running boards.
And he has it on there 90.
Shit, this is like a oh, he do got the them big wood grain seats. Those are old school ones, fool.
Oh, yeah.
This is throwback, fool. You see these at the flea market stunting back in the days, right? I bet you they found that in someone's garage, food like that. Action, fool, with the wood grain kit. I remember at the flea market they used to have the whole wall of the wood grain kits. Damn, hey, I really like the black short beds. I don't know why. Even though black is hard because that paint job gotta be right. That was tight.
To ask you, we're talking about billets. You like US Max?
Yeah, some do.
Yeah.
Look, those are hit. Those are hit, fool. I like this color scheme. Cream with the white. Boy, got the Whataburger 78 sign too. Man, y'all check it out. Woo! He got the detail going down. Man, That's nice, nice. Check out the wood. He got the blacked out wood with the pinstripe, y'all. Ooh, that whole nice. What the guts look like? Damn. Diamond tuck, that's clean. S10 on the floor on some pants. That was tight. Really like this mustard color. Yeah, I get what you're saying. We're walking and standing in front of your shit, just catching people drive, right?
That's cool.
Finish this off right here. Yeah. Shit. I ride that Bourbon. Fuck yeah.
Oh, it's a 3-door.
Yeah, it don't got the, that's throw. I'll ride the shit out that hoe. Ooh, check out this mustard colorway, y'all. With the intros. Man, I like this. Yeah, that's what it look like. So it ain't, this is like probably bolt-on, right? I like these. You can't go wrong with these. These are old school intros. I like this one a lot, fool. They could have did a better job of taping, but that bitch tight. It's got a pearl to it too. It got the blazer bumper, smooth tailgate. I like that window too. Shit, this colorway sick too. The gold with the red. Patina.
No, my wife's coming. She's gonna bring him that way.
Oh, check it out. I like the guts.
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm gonna
By the way, this is Hot Rod Flats. I really still think you should do that on your car. But you're like, no, we'll wrap it.
I like the Hot Rod Flats. Like, as it's raining.
Big 4Gs on that motherfucker. That's 4Gs?
I seen them at Berlin Parkway.
Oh, we got a newer style on the bag. Got the bourbon clip. Colorway clean. Oh, check the guts. Pretty clean. Hell yeah. I like this colorway. What you got? Oh, this hoe's pretty sick. Oh yeah, clean black guts. That hoe's tight. Oh yeah, that hoe tight. As y'all can see, I'm gonna film every black short bed there is. That hoe's clean. Oh, diamond tuck seats. Wet, wet, wet black. This is nice. this blue one. This hoe's nice. ¿Está chingona la troca, oiga?
Gracias.
Tiffany, right? Like a Tiffany blue with the white. That was sick. Oh yeah. That's the only problem. The US Max look good, but they're like on everything. They don't have, you know, they're a good price.
I cleaned the garage yesterday. And there was one that's like it was like a family.
I'm about got Mustang wheels, huh?
That Ford, I gotta give it to a Ford. 96.
Oh, that hoe is clean for a Ford.
Yeah,
Damn.
I like that.
Yeah. Ah, he got the dookie sticker in the back. Yeah, but them hoes hidden, fool. That hoe sound good.
Come on, maybe some of those on the.
The barber. Oh, check out the grill. He got the little thing. Jamming zero.
Green. Yeah, you see it was green?
Yeah, there was like it's like a dark forest green, right? Man, that hoe is green. Man, there's a lot of trucks out here for sure, man. Shit, it look like it's early. People still pulling in every color combo or short bed you could think of. Some clean Fords too. I can't believe I'm saying that, but they got some rides out here. I think maybe because it's that 4-year anniversary, but man, y'all come check it out. Dog coming through. Not just the trucks. I like that. They clean, but we seen them about 5 times already on that same type truck bed. You know what I'm saying? That's the only bad thing. But see, some on there, like I really like these little Broncos. Too much love for Fords on this vlog, but them little Broncos, and they like 6 figures and shit now, right? Them hoes is tight.
Like it's gonna prolong it too.
No, you could definitely do that. Actually, fool, I ain't gonna lie, I've been thinking the same thing.
That's the big part.
And if you don't have it, the project stalls. It is what it is. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's stalled. Yeah, it got Nuevo Leon plates. I don't know if it's from over there. It got all the Mexican trim. Tina. He okay? He is okay. That bitch.
Well, he didn't. He didn't do that. But
Whew. Man, and that black hidden. Is that original color? It looked like a sherbet orange. I don't know. Nah, not quite a sherbet. What's that, like a peach?
I don't know.
That was
Whatever
tight.
it is.
It's tight. On them race lines. I like those race lines. Huh? This, yeah. Nah, that's a fit by 15, fool. Look like it. Oh, he don't got the lip to the inside, right?
I think it is.
And 79s don't be getting that much love, but they straight.
You know, like 67 to 74.
You see, those are US mags too, look.
Yeah.
Woo! That hoe is hitting. I like the wheels. He should have just went a little smaller tire, right? The wheels is sick though.
Yeah.
What's up, baby? What's up, boy? Hey, I'm waiting for the LA footage, dog.
It's coming, dog. It's
Hey, y'all go follow him on his channel.
coming. Sir, Ride With Me TV.
Oh, that boy Slim.
All right, all right, all right.
Whew.
Yeah, like this.
Man, they be sounding nice with the cams and all that. That shit sound nice.
that would just be
Damn. Look at that
Nah,
hoe.
he let the wife drive it. Shit. That's what I do. Let the wife drive it home. Eventually, shit, she might be in this one. I'll be in the 40, man.
Boy got them 20s. That hoe look good. AC down. Yeah, I hear the compressor. Hey, it really got the old school feel like a motherfucker. Hey, he AC down at least. Boy, jamming that mo. Woo, that sun coming out, y'all. We about to dip. Woo, a lot of beautiful trucks. What y'all think? Leave comments, man. Did y'all like them trucks? Man, I wasn't really gonna do my S10. Y'all seen my daily on the channel. I really wanted to do it up, but shit, we might have that as a project coming up. Hook it up a little bit here if y'all like the trucks. Let me know if y'all like the trucks. But we finna dip. Next time out here, I think is it every Sunday? Every last Sunday?
Last Sunday.
Every last Sunday of the month, Trucks and Coffees. Y'all come check it out. Today was the 4-year anniversary. So Bear Creek. So y'all come check it out, man, if y'all like these trucks. But appreciate y'all watching. That shot's fucking sick. The two trucks crossing each other. Sick. Ooh, watch out in that K5 Blazer with the top off. Oh yeah. Ah damn, it's a damn sign. I gotta go mess with the S10 now. Man, look at this dirty lip on this teal 70s. God damn.
Oh yeah. If you find one cheap, it's gonna cost you a pretty penny to fix it too.
Yeah, it'd be all fucked up. Damn.
Can you imagine the work that he did unless he did the work himself?
Nah, they did a lot of work to that hole. The homie leaving. Ooh, gotta catch him leaving. That bitch look clean. Now on to the backyard. We're gonna get some organizing action going first. And then maybe get to work a little bit on this box today.